Answer surveys, watch videos, download app and make money. I will be talking about how to make money with this particular website by watching videos, taking surveys and downloading apps. But before we go into the video, my name is Esther and I teach people how to make money online. If you are new here and you want to be getting information from my new videos, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon, and also smash the like button, and also leave a comment or ask me anything about what I want to show you today in the comment section. And to my returning subscribers, thank you very much. I really love you. So let's dive into the video. So I'll be showing you how you can earn your $5 every day and how you can get $50 on this website by completing the tasks on the website. And the first way to earn is by showing you how you can actually get your $1.5 instantly, and it is available for every new users on this website. So I'm going to walk you step by step on how to get it. You can see here under this free Bitcoin, you can see that the minimum amount of money you can withdraw is $5 and the maximum is $200. So I'm going to walk you step by step to know how you can withdraw from this site. So the first thing to do is to sign up on the website, and you will get 500 points for signing up. And note guys, I am not getting anything in return for that. Make sure you use the referral link in the description of this video to get your first $1.5 on this website. So remember, I'm not getting anything for this point. You are actually getting to for yourself. So the first thing is that after registering with your email address, just type in your email address, your password, and then confirm your password and then sign up. So after signing up, then you move to this next stage where you enter your personal information. You enter your gender, your birthday, your name, your first name and your last name, your address, your postal code. Your zip code is your postal code too. So if you want to get your postal code, just go to Google. Anywhere you stay, maybe if you are in Lagos, anywhere you stay around the world, just enter your name, the name of where you are staying, your area, then put your zip code or postal code. So you will get that 6-digit number. So after that, then you input it here as your zip code. Then you choose your country. I'm from Nigeria. Then after that, you click on complete sign up. So let me quickly do that now. So after you are done filling it, just click on complete sign up. So after you are done with your signing up, then you will get your first 500 credits here, which is approximately $0.5. So the next thing to do is to go to your email, to go to the email address you provided, and then you will come back here to register. So this is the confirmation message I got from them. You can see crypto rewards. Then I'm going to click on the link in the mail. So I'm going to click on this, or just click on confirm mail, or click on this link. So after getting your 500 points for signing up, then the next thing to do is to get your 1000 points for completing your demographics. So you have to click on 1000 points and you have to complete all these options here to get your 1000 points. Remember that 500 points equals to $0.5 and 1500 we get to $1.5. So I'm going to complete it right here now. So now I have the 1500 points now. So if you want to earn more, you have to click on these 3 hamburgers, then click on surveys. When you click on surveys, you see different kind of surveys that you can actually participate into. And to get to the minimum threshold, it's very easy, guys. Look at here, you get 100 points, 400 points, 200 points, 442 points, 299 points, 689 points, 741 points. You can see here that it is very easy to get to $5 here every day, and then you surely have you always there's always time duration. You can see to get this 100 points, you have to use 5 minutes to fill in the survey. You can see the minutes, so you have to be very fast when solving the surveys here, guys. Then let us go to the other ways of making money. The other one is watch. So you have to watch videos here, guys. You see, you get 5 points for watching 3 videos. You get 7 points for watching 3 videos. But for me, I still prefer going for surveys, because you will get more points than watching videos. Yes, so I think the survey is better. So to get another one again, just click on offer, and you see different kind of offers that you can actually go for and earn money in dollars. Just click on the offers here, and then you will earn your points. They can give you, maybe you want to download apps, or you want to watch movies, or they will give you simple tasks to do, then you get your points. So if you want to withdraw your money, when you get to 5,000 points, which is equivalent to $5, just click on gift card and cash. So when you get to gift card and cash, then you'll be able to withdraw your money here. Just click on Bitcoin, and then you will withdraw your money right here. So the minimum amount of money you can withdraw is $5. It's $5. So just have to click on the Bitcoin, then you will see that it is $5 you can withdraw on this site. Then after getting to that point, just go to your crypto wallet, then copy out your Bitcoin wallet address and paste it here, and you will get your money straight up. If you find this video helpful, just let me know in the comment section that it is helpful, and let me know any question that is bothering you about this particular site. So I will see you in my next video.